Today on Easter Monday, I've decided to record a second video. I'm going to upload these videos to my channel for you to listen to at your own time and to whatever. It will be there for a long time. Um, I am going to be reading, so I hope I will come across as audibly as possible. My next video is titled Gratitude for Nature's Beauty. In the middle of our busy lives, it is easy to overlook the simple things. We get so caught up in tasks, screens, and deadlines that we forget to just stop and look around. But when we do take that moment to pause, to breathe, and to really see, we are reminded of something beautiful: nature. There's something deeply grounding about being surrounded by trees, watching clouds move across the sky, or hearing the soft sound of water flowing in a stream. It is in those small, quiet moments that we can feel something bigger than ourselves. Gratitude for nature's beauty isn't just about admiring a sunset or snapping a photo of a flower. It is about feeling a genuine appreciation for the world around us. It is recognizing that this planet offers so much: peace, perspective, healing, without asking for anything in return. Think about the warmth of the sun on your face, or the way the air smells after it rains, the changing colors of the seasons, the way birds sing in the early morning. These aren't just nice details, they are little gifts. And the more we notice them, the more connected we feel to the earth, to each other, and to ourselves. Gratitude helps us slow down. It helps us remember that beauty doesn't have to be loud or dramatic. It can be soft, it can be subtle, and still incredibly powerful. So wherever you are, whatever kind of day you're having, I hope you take a moment to step outside, look around, and just appreciate. Because nature is always there, always giving. And when we take the time to be grateful, we start to see just how much beauty surrounds us every day. Of course, this is related to the earlier video about the birds and not hearing them. But it's an addition in that it elaborates a lot more on the beauty that we may fail to notice. It alerts us to the things we pay attention to. In our case, especially in Kenya, we are so deeply involved in or paying attention to politics, what this politician said, what the other one said, how this one is ruling, how we can overthrow them, and so on and so forth. Internationally, and specifically me, I am very much involved with the war on Palestine. That is a topic that saddens me so much, and that I pay attention to a lot. But even when that is going on, I still take time off to listen, to walk around, to do things that make life more bearable, make life worth living. Um, so it's a challenge still. It's a challenge still, but it is. It eases the thinking, the deep things that I could be thinking about. My case is special. I think I've resigned myself to the reality of life. My story will be more understood after some time, not at the moment, because it's hard to explain. But you see now, I am not thinking of myself as an expert on anything. I'm just thinking that I could have something to say to someone, maybe you, and because I have the time, I can use it to say something to someone, possibly you, and it could have an impact. It could make a difference in your life. I don't know. It's not up to me. But I use what is called inspired action. I have a deep need to say something at the moment. So I am saying it because it's what you may call a calling. I can't say a calling, but it's what I refer to as inspired action. Action that comes from deep inside of me that I had nothing to do with. I didn't force myself to, oh, I'm going to pick up a guava and another one and another one. See, such is life. It can be interesting if you want it to be, but everybody has their own circumstance. I'm not saying life is easy. I'm just saying that you should consider that life has other perspectives. Yes, you may be going through a tough time, a rough time. You have issues with family, issues with friends, issues with your spouses, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, all sorts of issues. I am not trying to downplay those, but what did I want to say? I forgot. I wanted to add something that was going to be really serious, or maybe I should chew on my newly acquired guava in order to remember. Anyway, I want to wish you a great day. Thank you for listening to me. Talk about what I am calling to, what I'm referring to as inspired action. I could be doing something else, but I've opted to do this because there's a deep need to say it. It's not something I've come up with. It's not something I planned. Yeah. So have a great day. You leave me enjoying my guava. Thank you and goodbye.